winners, the Soca Warriors, take on tournament outsiders Haiti. It was to prove a memorable match.
Oh, look at his power here. Can he pick out a white shirt? It's Brunel. Goalkeeper spilled it. Musico! 1-0 to Haiti. And you can hear a pin drop in the stadium. Williams just parried the shot from Brunel. And it proved so costly as Musico pounced after 22 minutes of the final. Baptiste prepares to take the free kick. Power. Oh, he's turned that in with his hand, surely. It's not going to count because almost basketball style, he turned the ball over the line. And they're going to lose his marker. One interception here for Terry Baptiste. Great chance for Trinidad and Tobago. Easily their best opportunity of the first half. 18,000 here in the Haiti Corporate Stadium. Gilles. Go with a step over. Cherie, and this is Gilles, who's free now for Haiti. Williams has spilled it. Brunel, 2-0. 51 minutes gone, and Haiti race into a 2-goal lead. And once again, the goalkeeper spilled a shot, which resulted in a goal. Musico hit it hard and low. Williams couldn't hang on to it. Cadet might have been offside, and Brunel pounced. Haiti 2, Trinidad and Tobago 0. This is Roberts. Roberts. Oh, that's handball, surely. And the referee was literally a couple of yards away from that incident. And that's the goalkeeper. This is Daniel. It's there. Trinidad and Tobago are still in the final. Daniel's free kick brings delight to the terracing. 65 minutes in, and just a goal separating the two teams now. A stunning free kick, and the goalkeeper beaten comprehensively on the near post. And this is Baptiste, 3 minutes to go. Trinidad and Tobago need a goal now. It's Baptiste, well saved by the goalkeeper. Is that the last chance for the home side to take this one into extra time? Corner to Trinidad and Tobago, who must score now. It's a poor corner. It's all over. Haiti have won the Digicel Caribbean Cup, and they've done it for the first time in their history.
Sou mes vidéos, like, commenter, partager et abonner à la chaîne. C'est la seule façon où nous avancer à travail là.